Namaste to all. Solar eclipse 21st June 2020. Solar eclipse start time is morning 9:16 hours. Ring eclipse start 10:18 hours. Full eclipse you can see in the sky 12:10 hours in the afternoon. Eclipse will be end and 14:02 hours. Ahmedabad, Ajmer, Jaipur, Delhi and Simla are the main solstice cities. Affected states are Gujarat, Rajasthan, Delhi, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir. In the morning time when you will be arise, some question will be arise in your mind. What is the solar eclipse? What is its effects? Why does this happen? What is the secret behind this? What does science believe? What are the results in astrology? Whom affect this eclipse? What should I do? What is the result of chanting of mantras, penance, tapasya, havan, and charity? This is called in Hindi Kankan Surya Grahan, just like ring, diamond ring. This is called Kankan. How does solar eclipse happen? This is sun, this moon, and earth. Sunlight goes straight to the moon and earth. Middle of the earth and sun, you are seeing, you can see the moon. The sunlight cannot pass through the moon. It means moon covered to the sun. So earth is affected through shadow. Astrological we call this part Rahu. Solar eclipse and astrology. Solar eclipse on 21st June 2020. This complete eclipse will up to the 3 hours and 25 minutes. The eclipse will begin on Sunday, June 21st at 9:15 am, while there will be a mid time of solar eclipse at 12:10 pm. Eclipse will be end at 2:02 pm in the afternoon. After this, another solar eclipse will be occur at the end of the 2020. This time, the solar eclipse can be seen in our country India too. But do not try to see in the sky through naked eye. During this time, the moon will cover the sun for a while. After the lunar eclipse, now is the month of the solar eclipse. This time, the first solar eclipse on on this year is going to happen on 21st June. This solar eclipse will be visible in part of Africa, including India, Central African Republic, Congo, Ethiopia, Pakistan, and China. According to the Jyotishacharya Dr. Gajanand Arya Shastri, the time of the solar eclipse will be start from 9:15 am to 2:30 pm. The full expiry period will be 2:30 pm. However, this time the solar eclipse is on Sunday. In such a situation, on Saturday, June 20, The Sutak period will be start from 10:20 p.m. You can see Sun and Moon are affected to the Rahu. All the before eclipse, one should bath, chant mantras, and take oath, plays with silence. In the medieval period, one should worship and can perform Havan also. After salvation, one should bath, donate, worship. During the eclipse period, one should remain silent and calm. Chant the Surya mantras in silence. Also, the Aditya Hridaya Stotra also can be chanted. Donation. Food, clothing, ghee, metal just like gold and copper, including dakshina. Avoiding. Stay away from food, sleep, oil massage, etc. during the eclipse period. Food or medicine can be given to the old people, patients, children, and the pregnant women on need basis. But tulsi leaf must be kept in the meal. Special. Based on old belief, do not look with naked eye. This creates the possibility of the eye effects. Science considers this to be natural process. But just as sunrise and sunset affects life and nature, so too solar eclipse has some special effects but have been seen on the basis of the experienced. The zodiac effects are astrological. Aries, money gains. Taurus, loss of the money. Gemini, chance of accident in and injury. Cancer, loss of money. Leo, profit and growth. Virgo, disease, suffering and fears. Libra, anxiety and suffering from children. Scorpio, enemy fear, simple benefits. Sagittarius, female or husband suffering. Capricorn, disease and anxiety. Aquarius, excess expenditure and delay in work mean means achievements. Pisces, accomplishment. In Hindu dharma, we believe at that time the Surya mantra. Surya means solar, sun, for chanting. You can chant just like this. I am chanting for you. Om आकृष्णेन रजसा वर्तमानः निवेशयन् अमृतं मर्त्यं च हिरण्मयेन सविता रथेन देवो याति भुवनानि पश्यन् ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः ॐ सूर्याय नमः. Thanks to all. Subscribe this video for next video. You can like or you can write to me for another video. सबको नमस्ते मेरा. This is Dr. Gajanand Arya Shastri. You can search in YouTube Dr. Gajanand Arya Shastri with subscribing to me. Thanks. Namaste.